Hey guys, it is Patrick. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to have you guys here today. If you are new to this channel, hi, I'm Patrick. I make delicious Starbucks drinks at home. I show you guys exactly how to do it to get that authentic Starbucks taste without having to leave your own house. You should totally consider joining the family we have here. We have a coffee community that is just unmatched here on YouTube. Join the family, you will not regret it. Also, be sure to turn on notifications so that when I post an amazing video every single week, you get that notification and you can just click that button and watch me. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Hello, I see you. I am so excited for today's video. We are making one of Starbucks' cult classic drinks. People live for this drink. People that I know who love this drink order nothing but this drink. They are convinced that Starbucks is putting some magic in this drink. Yes, so today we are making Starbucks vanilla sweet cream cold brew. So we have vanilla, we have sweet cream, and we have cold brew. These are the three elements of this drink, and I will break it down for you so you can make this every single morning at home for yourself. You need to be in charge of your own drink. We love reclaiming that power. Not only can you customize it and kind of tweak this to how you like it, but girl, you are going to save so much coin. It can sometimes feel like, just a Starbucks here and there, it's just like $5 per day, but that $5 per day adds up over time. We need to be smart with our coin and invest in our future and invest in making this stuff at home. And this is the type of recipe that you do not need to be intimidated by. When I tell you, this is probably one of the more easy Starbucks drinks to make from home. This is super simple and anyone can do it. You do not have to be a pro barista. You do not have to be a master chef. You just have to be someone who wants their coffee and will fight for it. Not really, just do like a few steps. Okay, so the first element in this drink that we have to take care of is the cold brew. Now there are a billion videos here on YouTube that will show you how you can make cold brew from home. Usually you have to start it either like a day or two before you actually want the coffee so it can steep in the fridge for hours and hours and hours, and I don't have time for that. There are so many cold brew options that you can get right at the grocery store that are already made for you. It takes all of the work out, it takes all of the mind work out of it. Literally, it makes it super easy and it tastes amazing. But if you have a favorite coffee blend that you just cannot live without and you want to make it in a cold brew method, you can totally do that. I will actually link a video down below that will show you how to make cold brew coffee. But in this video, just to make my life a whole lot easier, I am going to be using the store-bought cold brew. So this is the cold brew that I am using. When I was grocery shopping for this video, I was just scanning all the cold brews and I'm like, oh my gosh, Starbucks actually makes one. This is amazing. So I was able to find this at Walmart. You can literally find it anywhere. People live for cold brew and everyone is drinking it nowadays. And even though I just bought this little tiny bottle for this video, they do sell larger containers that you can use throughout the entire week. Make sure that whatever cold brew you decide to buy is unsweetened and black. We do not want any additional flavors or sweeteners in here. We just want the cold brew coffee, period. We are already going to be adding a lot more to the party later on, so we want to keep this as basic as possible. So yes, if you do decide to go this route in terms of cold brew, you really do not have to do any work, just buy it. So now that this is taken care of, we can get going on our vanilla sweet cream. Okay, so this is the part of the drink that really makes the drink. This is what people love about it, and it really just kind of elevates everything. People think this is like a magical potion that is Starbucks confidential. It is just amazing, it's untouchable. But if you actually look at the ingredients, there's only 3 of them. You can do this, it's no secret, I got you. So the first thing that you are going to need is milk. Here I'm just using vanilla almond milk, but you can use whatever milk that you prefer. You're also going to be needing needing some heavy cream, I'm actually trying out for the first time the Silk non-dairy heavy whipping cream. Whenever there is a non-dairy option, I do try to go that route, so I am super excited to try this, but regular heavy whipping cream will also work here. And then to bring that vanilla flavor into this sweet cream, you're going to need vanilla syrup. Now you can find this literally everywhere, Amazon, Target, Walmart, you can find it. I'm using the brand Tarani here. They make amazing coffee syrups in a billion different flavors, but there are a ton of brands out there, so just find your favorites and purchase just regular vanilla syrup. Here I'm using sugar-free, but this is all I could find. I probably don't need any more sugar, so we need her. So yes, that delicious vanilla sweet cream that they use at Starbucks is literally just a combination of these 3 simple ingredients. So let's break down the actual measurements. Okay, so I'm gonna add half a cup of milk to a large measuring cup, and then I'm gonna add the same amount of heavy cream to this mixture as well, so it is a 1-to-1 ratio. And if you are making a cold brew for a ton of people, feel free to either double or even triple this recipe. And then to bring that vanilla flavor into this sweet cream, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of the vanilla syrup. And then I'm just gonna take a little whisk and whisk all of these ingredients together. You guys literally saw how easy that was to make, but this combination of these 3 simple ingredients makes such a good combination. It's out of this world. You will live for it. And this recipe does make enough for several drinks. So if you are the only person in your household that drinks this mixture will actually keep in the fridge for about a week. And before you use it, you just want to make sure you re-whisk it every single time. So some of the cold brews that Starbucks sells has almost kind of like a foamy topping to it, and you can totally replicate that if you want to with this mixture. Just run it through like an immersion blender or like a milk frother, and that will get you that really foamy texture. But if you don't want that foamy texture, just do what I'm doing here and just use a simple whisk. So this is all set and our cold brew is ready to go, so let's assemble this drink. Okay, so I have my grande Starbucks cup here, and the first thing I'm going to add into here is ice. I really wish I could replicate almost like the shape of Starbucks ice. They have the best ice in the world. Am I the only one who thinks that? Sound off in the comments. Doesn't Starbucks ice just hit different? But yes, just fill this up with as much or as little ice as you want, because who's the boss here? You. And then the next thing I'm gonna add in is some vanilla syrup. Now we already added this to the sweet cream, but this needs extra vanilla flavor. So for a grande, I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of the syrup, period. And this is a coffee drink after all, so the next thing we're going to add in is our cold brew. So you just wanna pour it in until there's like maybe an inch or so at the top, so you have plenty of room for your sweet cream. Oh, okay, period. Because cold brew has such a unique process and the actual coffee beans never touch heat, it has such a stronger flavor than traditional coffee, and oh my gosh, it's literally the best. And then the last thing we have to add in is the star of the show, the vanilla sweet cream. Oh my gosh, this is so good. So just pour this in to the top and we will be good to go. Yes, yes. Oh my gosh, guys, does this not look to a T? To a T, exactly like the one from Starbucks. Ooh, I really just did that. Okay, this looks so amazing. We have that sweet cream sitting at the top, and then that deep, dark cold brew. Oh my gosh. This is everything. Wow. I am so proud of myself. I just did that. Okay, so I'm just going to give it a little shake, and let's give this a try. You get that deep, oh my gosh, the deepest of the deepest of the deep cold brew flavor. It's so intense, it is just coffee punch. Then you get that like sweet, airy, light, sweet cream. It's weird because it's just so normal to add heavy cream, milk, and vanilla syrup separately to coffee, but when you combine them and add it in all together, it's just, it cannot be matched. That trio is dangerous. Wow. Wow, this is amazing. You guys have to make this at home. This is not a request, this is a command. You have to. Also, make this for a friend. If you make this for a friend, it will brighten their day. They will think that you are the barista of the world. They will think that you run the kingdom of coffee. Thank you guys so much for watching this channel. If you loved it, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I will have my handle right here. And if you want to support the continuation of this channel, consider becoming a patron on my Patreon. Thank you guys again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.